Good morning. I'm Dr. Murli from Physiotherapy Department, Max Hospital. I'm a cardiopulmonary therapist. So today we are going to teach you some exercise for the COVID pneumonia, and then during COVID and post COVID also. These are the exercise will improve your lung healthy, and then improve your expansion of the lung, and then improve your functional reservoir capacity. So first we'll start the exercise with the deep breathing exercise. That should be the exercise in the sitting also we can do, and then standing and then lying also you can do. So first we'll start the breathing exercise. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out from the mouth. Shall we do for this exercise 10 to 15 repetition? It can carry for 3 to 4 times per day. Start with the exercise. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out from the mouth. While you breathe in, yes, at the end of expiration you just give the firm support to the abdomen and then blow out. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out from the mouth. This exercise should be carried for 10 to 15 repetitions. Next exercise, that should be chest expansion exercise, or otherwise called thoracic expansion exercise. So first we'll start the thoracic expansion. There should be two types of exercise. That should be short lever and then long lever. So first we'll start the short lever exercise for the thoracic expansion. And while you inspire, deep breathe in through the nose, and then this has to be go upward direction. And breathe out, then it goes downward and blow out. Breathe in is going to upward direction, and then this, and breathe out going to downward direction. This exercise should be doing for 10 to 15 repetition. Next we are going for the third exercise, thoracic expansion exercise. There should be the long lever. So breathe in through the nose, and then you have to simultaneously carry the arms the upward direction. Then while breathe out and bring down. Breathe in through the nose going upward direction, and then breathe out and then going for downward direction. This should be 10 to 15 repetition. This exercise should be, this also one of the type of thoracic expansion exercise. Yes, bring it together and bring, going outward. Breathe in, breathe in, going out, breathe out. Yes. Now we are going to discuss about the segmental breathing exercise. Shall we start the segmental breathing exercise? And then you have to hold it and take a deep breath. Breathe in and then breathe out. While you placing that, you have to वहीं पे छोड़ना. सांस लेके वहाँ पे आप पकड़ के रखा, जस्ट उस जगह पे आपको छोड़ना. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And this one. Next, this also. You have to take a breathe in. Yes. Breathe in, breathe out. लंबी गहरी सांस लेके छोड़ना. नाक से लेना सांस, मुंह से छोड़ना. नाक से लेना सांस, मुंह से छोड़ना. This should be 10 repetition to 15 repetition. The exercise should be in a day 3 to 4 times. Now breathe in and then you have to hold for 5 counts. So breathe in and hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then breathe out. Discuss the one of the important exercise, that's spirometry. So spirometry, now we are not having the spirometry. This spirometry will be available in the chemistry store. You can buy it. इसमें 3 ball होते हैं. Then you have to keep it, the ball is the chest level and to the eye level. Chest level and then eye level. इसमें visual feedback मिलते हैं. So how much is the lung capacity if you are lifting the 1 ball or otherwise 2 ball, 3 ball. हर आदमी के डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी होते हैं. ऐसे नहीं दो एक ही बाल उठा रहे हैं उसके गलत है, 2 बाल उठा रहे वो गलत है. ऐसे नहीं. दिस द इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटी विल बी predicted according to the lung capacity. So you have to keep it. इसको माउथ पीस मुंह में रखना, अंदर तरफ को खींचना. So like माउथ पीस आते खींच के छोड़ना. So that should be the one of the best exercise for the lung expansion. And one more exercise we are going to discuss. Before exercise also you have to check the saturation. Now we are going for the saturation, how much is improved after exercise. So this should be very important for keep regular checking for the patient during COVID and post COVID also. Yes. Now this is the 76 is the pulse rate, 98 is the saturation in room air. So patient is getting good. He is a normal. She is a normal patient. So this is for the demonstration purpose we are doing. So you can check like this before also and after doing exercise also. And then one important thing has to remember. And the patient has to walk and then you between you have to talk test. So उनसे बात कर लिए. So whether able to answerable what you are asking. So question का answer कर पा रहे हैं, that you have to notice. If not able to answer, it should be getting fatigue or dyspnea. So that should you cannot encourage. Going to do another exercise that should be. इसमें तो पानी है, पानी ग्लास ले लिया, उसमें स्टार रख दिया. इसको पहले बबल्स बनाना, उसके बाद डीप ब्रीथिंग लेना, फिर छोड़ना, बबल्स बनाना, ऐसे 10 रिपीटेशन करवाना. Shall we start the exercise? पहले ब्रीथ बबल्स बना ले. वेरी गुड. छोड़ दिया ब्रीथिंग एंड देन फिर बबल्स बनाए. वेरी गुड. ऐसे 10 रिपीटेशन करिए. This will improve the patient for the COVID. And this for especially for the pneumothorax patient, it will be helpful for the exercise. The next exercise is blowout exercise. This exercise should be so 15 centimeter from the mouth. You have to keep the matchsticks and then it's a candle and then एक साथ उसको blow out करने के लिए बोलना. Ask the patient to take a deep breath and then blow. This is match test. You see the lung capacity. So now, yes, now this is very good. Now we are going for another exercise. If you don't have the candle or whatever maybe, so you can use the simple tissues or paper from the 15 centimeter from the mouth. Just a patient asks you to take the breathe in and breathe out. इसको ब्लो आउट करना. दिस इज कहते हैं सिंपल पेपर blowing out exercise. This you can encourage in the baby and then pediatric patients also, and then you have to use for the patient. So whistling also you can train the patient for the pediatrics, and then balloon also we can use for the pediatric people or whatever the adult also. This is very helpful exercise for the COVID pneumonia. And right now we are facing the lot of crises. So physiotherapies are very important role to improve the recover from the acute or post-COVID pneumonia patient. I think this will be helpful for you all the coronary के मतलब or whether you are doing IPD or hospital or community center, whatever maybe this exercise can be helpful in your home also. It will improve. If any query related to this, you can ask me. My name is Dr. Murli. Once again, I am remembering from the physiotherapy department, Max Healthcare.